Hey guys, I am at a little side project here.
I'm Sarah, and this is Travis. We've moved 7 times in the last 6 years and are currently renovating our 3rd house with our 3 boys and our Old English sheepdog. Follow along as we renovate our house and raise our boys.
That's him.
Subscribe and join us on our next adventure.
We are going to be renovating this 2-bedroom basement. I've already gotten started here, but I wanted to show you the before and after. We had to cut up a couch to get it out of here. And then it's just old and nasty. Got like dog poop and pee all over the carpet and crap like that. Okay guys, several days later, and we are done in here. So what we did was paint all the trim, handrails, door frames, baseboards, new baseboards, and we tore down a whole bunch of trim. We did not replace the blinds, and they need it. We touched up ceiling, we added that light, painted this guy in here, did a ton of drywall repair, added some new vents. This wall right there, this section from about, I don't know, there to somewhere over here was inset about an inch. Did a drywall repair there. Added trim to this. And we're there. All done.
We're strong believers in letting our kids work alongside us and learn new things. There usually ends up being at least one fight between the kids as they try to take turns. But overall, letting them work with us is a really good experience. Sawyer started baseball for the first time this summer. This is a new sport for us. We've done soccer and swimming and all those kinds of things, but never baseball. He loves it, and Lincoln's really disappointed because he was signed up too, but then he broke his arm, so he wasn't able to play this year. The kids also started school. Sawyer's in 1st grade and Lincoln's in kindergarten, so it's just Max and I for half the day.
So Lincoln just came up to me and said, "Hey Dad, watch this. Look what I can do." What is it, Link? Tell me again what it is. No, talk to me. Tell me.
I was like, well, and I was like, because I didn't know I could do it.
sunset tonight.